And
I don't know.
Aku sakit ini, coba.
tadi lagi apa? Pilek ya?
Iya,
Terus diapain?
di urut.
Diulut. Namanya topung, ditopung.
Namanya ditopung.
Iya, terus sakit.
Sakit.
Terus udah enak sekarang.
Sudah enak sekarang.
Aku tuh sakit apa?
Sakitnya tadi itu loh.
Pilek ya.
Pilek dan batuk.
Mm-mm.
Tapi batuknya sampai di pilek.
Sampai di sekarang udah enak ya.
Sekarang sudah enak.
Iya.
Dan bye.
Bye. Sekarang papa aja dulu papa.
My name is Carmichael and I have a big problem in my back. Now I feel release, more out of the stress. So, after the therapy, a little bit hurt, but it's good.
Tepung with
Really,
Melda.
Topung with whom?
with
Melda.
Mel,
Melda.
yeah, Melda made the treatment, so she's a very professional, and the therapy works. So
Okay.
thank you very much. Bye.